What is this, the 247? 247 Saturday night. We're trucking along and run into this right here. This is a jackknife. Show you guys real quick. Life of a trucker. You got CHP on scene already. They passed me. It got pretty hectic, man. Heavy snow. But we got past it. I thought we were gonna be Gucci. But we ended up coming up to this guy. So we're gonna be waiting here for a little bit. CHP taking photos. Got the plow machine. As you can tell, he's trying to. The story was he was trying to avoid another car, another truck or whatever, and hit his brakes and he slid out of control, jackknife. Sorry about the lighting, but yeah. We're gonna go try to see what we can pull out over here. See if we can go around. I think it's about maybe, I don't know, 12-ish. We left Stockton this morning. We're headed to Green Valley, Arizona. But yeah, we'll be here about maybe 2 hours. Come back to you in a little bit. It's a little short video. Life on the road, man. Whew. Here we are. Got tubing back. Check it out. Woo, it's chilly out there, man. Busting a little video for YouTube. See how things go, man.
Yeah, my flashlight is stronger than this flashlight.
No mames.
This car right here can fucking go on bounce, man.
Aren't those all-wheel drive? These 300s.
Should we put the chains on?
It should be good, bro. It's just.
Should be good, bro.
We'll catch y'all later, man. Catch y'all in the next video. Get you
Ice Road Truck is gone bad.
Ice Road Trucker gone bad, man. We're gonna put this. I don't know. What should we? We'll keep you updated, man. Peace.